Welcome this video. Smart backyard fall depth idea. A fall depth is an excellent add to a smart backyard. Provide a style and functionally outdoor very space live space without a cell for deep dining or promax fontaine. Whether you look for a right retreat adapt dining area or a space for entertainment, those smart backyard phone idea can help you make the most of your outdoor space. Benefit of a full lap. Cost effect. Full lap are more affordable. Traditional depth balance then the requested deep fontaine or explain size material easy to install. Main fall depth design can be built as project over a weekend. Versatile. You can place theme anywhere is your yard and more. Remove them if need. Lawman enters with the right material. A full depth requested. Minimize. Keep up. Plan your full depth. Determinant the size and shape. Scam space unlimited in a smart backyard. Consider a compact design that fit well without your landscape. Patience or sketch depth is to construction, but or multi-level depth add a static appear. Choose the right location near the home for easy access to unit and functional. In a secured area for comfort dining host day. Able and water during parts to requested water. Select the best material. Affordable and durable but requested. Send. Clinics or redwood. Natural requested to inside and root open. Often a classic. Look. Composite. Depth. Lawman entrance and long lasting with various color. Use for the fountain and provide step load up can sub as a choosy outdoor long perch without built-in set to maximize space. Multi level fall depth. Depth can create the illusion of a long space. You can use one level for long and other for dining. Mark those areas more functional. Depth with built-in plants. Indoor incorporating built-in plants box the edge of any greenery, create, provide, and enhance the depth aesthetic. Pergola cover depth. Add a pergola can provide shade and a decoration touch. Allow you to hang high lights climax plant for a choosy embrace. Fall depth with fire pick, a compact deck with a climax fall patch, often warm and an uninvited atmosphere for even grunting. You, you use fake material area for fire fake, fold up, L-shaped depth can into a smart yard curtain. Make it an excellent space sub with often appear and decor opportunity. Outdoor dining depth, a smart fold up with both table and chair